Hi everyone, Jerrold here, and I'm back with another home automation video, and this time I'm gonna upgrade our existing door and window sensor. This is how the sensor looks like. This is just a triggering device that will create several scenes or simply use it as a triggering device for your home security alarm system. If I'm gonna separate the components, it will actually create an alarm like this one. Or I will be using it to switch on or off the lights in the house. So look at the lights. If I will separate the components, it will turn on the lights. I've been using this DW1 for almost 2 years, but the reason why I'm upgrading with the version 2 or the DW2 is because with the new version, I will be able to tell, or the app will be able to tell me if the door is closed or open. So you can actually check for the status of the door. And you can also create different scenes like in the door and window sensor one. So these are the different door and window sensors I've been using at home. Okay, so let me just check what's inside the pouch. Again, this is the upgraded version of the door and window sensor. So let me just do this real quick. Let's check what's inside the box. So I actually ordered 3 from a store in Shopee. This came from China. Alright, so this is the Sonoff DW2 WiFi wireless door sensor, magnetic window alarm sensor, and Ello app controls for smart home security kits. What's inside the box is the unit itself. Okay, so this is the bigger component and this is the smaller one. And of course it also has adhesives and the user manual. So once you have inserted the 2 AAA battery in the slot, you just have to make sure that you are putting it in the right position. You have to check the negative and the positive terminal. So I'm just gonna remove the cover. This is the AAA battery that I just inserted a while ago. In order for the door and window sensor 2 to connect to your network, you just have to make sure that you're able to install the Waterleak app, because this is actually compatible with its on and off. I already have it in my phone since I'm using the Waterleak app for the different devices that I'm using to automate things here inside the house. So I just have to click a device, Bluetooth pairing. Then after that, you have to make sure that you're able to insert the pin inside this hole and wait it for the device to blink fast. So just maybe press it for 5 seconds and it's already blinking. So once the device is blinking, you just have to check the indicator is blinking correctly. Then you have to hit connect. I already found it here in my device, so I just have to make sure that it's connected to my home network. So I just have to enter the password, hit save. I'm gonna use this in the door in our hallway. Alright, so I will just have to name this one as hallway DW2. Hit done. I already added it to our network, specifically in the Waterleak app, so I can check for the status of the door and the window sensor. So now it's actually open. So once I put this back, it will actually send a notification to your phone. Okay, let me just try to separate the components. There, so it has a notification and it says that it's armed. Alright, so you can also disarm this one so that your door alarm will not be triggered. Alright, so let me just add this one in our home security alarm system before I will put this one in the door. Alright, so all you need to do is just go to the scenes, then you hit the plus, then you click add, hit smart device, then hallway DW2. So once the door sensor is open, you have to trigger the device or the siren. Okay, so hallway alarm. Okay, so let me just try if it's already added to our home security network. So let me just check again the status. Alright, it's closed as of the moment. Once I separate the components, let's see what's gonna happen. You can also create another scene for the siren or the alarm to turn off once the status of the DW2 is closed. So to do that, you just have to hit the scene again, then you click the plus, you click add smart device, then DW2. When the door sensor is closed, you click add, then smart device, siren to turn off. Okay, so hallway DW2 closed. Hit save and let's check if it's working. So you go to the DW2 again of the hallway. Here it is. I will try to separate the components and see what's gonna happen. There you have it. By the way, if you guys are wondering how much this DW2 cost, it's around 300 pesos. I bought this online. You can check through Shopee or Lazada stores. And the old one only cost 175 pesos, but then again, you have to purchase a bridge that costs around 600 pesos. So this is actually cheaper if you really want to know the status of your door, whether it's open or closed. Now let's put this in the door and check if it really works. Now let me show you how easy it is to connect the door and window sensor to. It actually comes with an adhesive tape or adhesive. So all you need to do is remove. Okay, so you remove this one, and the bigger tape should be placed on the bigger component, of course. So let me just show you how to do it correctly. So I just have to look at the guide. Alright. Then the smaller tape should of course be on the smaller component. Once you have the adhesives in place with the bigger and the smaller unit, you just have to peel it off. Then look for a spot in your door where you can put the DW2. I will be putting the smaller part on top of this plastic. Just have to make sure that the arrow is pointing towards the bigger sensor. Then just have to press it hard. Then next would be the bigger unit. So make sure that the arrow will face the arrow of the smaller unit. Press it. Now let me check if the door and window sensor 2 has been installed in our home security network. So let me just open and close the door. If you guys are interested in putting up your own home security system without breaking the bank, you can actually check it here, or if you're interested in some other home automation videos, you can check the videos down below. If you have any other questions or suggestions, please write it in the comment section and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.